Welcome back, guys. Matty Mac here with another ClickBank tutorial video. I'm just going to grab another offer today and show you through it, break it down for you. If you are advertising this offer or promoting this offer, but use the skills that I show you by all means and apply them to your own offers, and hopefully we'll get some more sales. So I'm going to jump into the SEO market. This is quite a good one, and it's not too saturated. There's not too many people promoting it, which is good. There's plenty of options out there because anyone that's in, marketing or business or online business should be into SEO. They should know how to do it. If they're not outsourcing it and they're not doing anything, then chances are they're not having too much success, because it is something that you need to do. Depending on how you promote, if it's a blog, a WordPress blog, YouTube, all your YouTube videos should be SEO'd, that sort of thing. So it's a skill that we all sort of need, and it's very high on the search rankings as well. So people are always chasing it. So it's not a bad product. There's a few here to promote, including some high offer ones. So if you're into the really high offer ones, there's a couple there that you really should look at if you're looking at promoting this sort of thing. I went and found one that was pretty good. I even used the software, so I sort of got familiar with how it worked, called Traffic Travis, this one. It was quite a good program, and they have a good, their good lead is there's a free version you can download and use, and then the paid version just gives you a lot more options. So it was quite a good product anyway. So I decided to go ahead and promote that one. And of course, when you do click through the link, it just goes to their website, of course. There's some good affiliate program on their JV page, some good information. All you need to do is jump in there, put your details in, and it'll take you through to their affiliate page. So again, the tools, this company is providing you the tools to help sell that product. So that's what you want to look for within a good ClickBank offer. Tells you a bit about the program, of course, bit of an overview, how people have used it, what successes they've had, some email swipes that you can use for your follow-up sequence. So again, that's very good for you to use. Of course, some graphics that you can use when you're promoting, putting them on your website or your social media, wherever it may be. Some testimonials for your website to use. So there's good information that you can use to promote this product. SEO, words, traffic, even video, if you wanted to use a video to promote that way. So plenty of good resources, and that's what you want to look for. Now, of course, usually you would have your traffic source, of course, go through to an opt-in page. I'm always saying make sure you've got an opt-in page and you're harvesting emails, you're collecting emails, and you're building your list. Most important. Now, I went a slightly different route on this one. I built a niche website around this product. So the product was called Traffic Travis. So it's just traffictravis.com. I went ahead and jumped in. I very cheaply bought the domain trytraffictravis.com, and it comes through to this. It's more like a referral site or a review site. Basic information, which I got from their site, of course, and a little try the product now. And whenever somebody does click on any of these links, of course, they're my affiliate links, but they go through to a very simple landing page where I'm then capturing their email address, and then it goes through to their sales page. So quite simple. A little bit of a tweak on the standard, but so I used a niche affiliate website on that one. So it's a WordPress site. Now, the good thing about a site like that, a WordPress site, is that you don't get from a standard landing page. You won't get from a landing page like this, but you will get from a WordPress site, is the SEO. Google will pick it up and they will rank it, which they won't do with a landing page. So on a long period of time, your page may rank naturally, and then you don't have to do a single thing. People will find it, they will naturally go through it, and it's going to make you money completely passively. So that's the name of it. That's the aim of it. It will take some time to do that, and it will require some work up front. You're going to have to do some blogs, and on the back end of this site you might put a few blogs or reviews or information and tips and tricks and all that sort of thing. So there's plenty of information that you can add in, some backlinks, get some backlinks from other social media sites and other sites, reviews, anything like that that you can get that link through to your site is going to give it Google rankings. So that's why I went this way instead of a standard SEO site. So over time we'll see how that one goes. But it's usually one or the other. So an opt-in page or a landing page to collect emails, or hopefully an organic ranking niche affiliate website. Now, there's plenty of stuff available if you wanted to start up your own niche affiliate website. I did write a little step-by-step guide if you're interested. Just jump onto the Facebook page, which I'll show you here in a second if it overloads. And it doesn't look like it's going to for some reason. See if I can get it working. Okay, I'll leave a link down to below to the ClickBank Marketing Secrets Facebook page. If you join that site, down here you can download 2 ebooks if you want. The ClickBank Marketing Secrets ebook, which of course is good just for promotion anyway, but the other one available is the Create Your Own Niche Affiliate website. So it's a step-by-step guide, and on my blog also there's step-by-step instructions there if you want to set up a page just like that. It's very easy to do. If you buy a very cheap domain and very cheap hosting, it's all available there. It's all very cheap to do. So if that's something that interests you, by all means, jump on there. I'll leave the link below. Have a look at it for yourself. But this is just another way that you can promote your ClickBank offer, rather than just take your sort of promotion link and spam it around. That's not the way you want to do it, and it's not the way you're going to make any sales anyway. So put a little bit of thought into it, a little bit of a sequence, a sales funnel as we call it. Make sure you're building your list. Follow up with people over a period of time, because most of the time they're not going to buy on the very first time, and you will follow up with them, and then later on down the track you can promote additional offers to them. So that's building your value ladder. So there's a whole bit of a sequence here. That's how I'm doing this one. I'll keep you posted on the results of this one, but if you have any questions, by all means, drop them below. If you want to look at any offer that you're promoting and you want me to sort of tear it apart and have a look at it, I'm happy to do that. Leave it in the comments below. But if you haven't already, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel and like the video. It will really help me out. Best of luck. I hope you have success in your affiliate marketing journey. If you're interested at all at affiliate marketing or entrepreneurship, be sure to click the link right below and go through to the Oz Affiliate website and join the mailing list. There's going to be heaps of bonuses and information that you can use, tools, things like that. Go ahead, jump through there, click on, and just enter your details. That'll put you on the mailing list, and you'll be given access to a whole bunch of resources for you to use and learn. When you come through, be sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel. That way you'll get information as soon as it's released. Like the Facebook page. Again, if you're a Facebook junkie, make sure you jump onto that page, and then jump into whatever avenue that you want to learn more about. If you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, this will take you through here, the 30-day challenge. In the 30 days, just 30 days, you can have an up and running online business in your own niche. Whatever you're good at, whatever you're an expert in, This is what you want to build a business around that, something that you know and are passionate about. That will show you step by step, 1 hour a day for 30 days, you'll have it up and running. If you need any references to books, your favorite entrepreneurs, go through the search there. ClickBank training, if you're a ClickBank affiliate, plenty of training available there. Some free books, there's a couple of free books. The new one, Traffic Secrets, you can get that for free just by clicking this link. There's also the .com secrets and expert secrets. Lead generation, if that's what you're after. Some more marketing secrets for ClickBank. SEO, your own website. So, of course, you have to learn SEO. If you want to build your own email list, things like that. If you want your own ready-made funnel, so just a funnel that you can plug your information in, give it your own spin, send traffic to and earn money, that's a ready-made funnel ready to go. All available. Building your own landing pages, things like that. All there for you. And of course, the Oz Affiliate tools, exactly all the tools that I use in my business. So everything available there for you to use. All you need to do is click the link below, join the newsletter, and go exploring. Find all the information that you want. Do that now. It's worth joining.